Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called SUSSEXSANDRA. And welcome. How are we all doing? I've been quiet for the last couple of weeks, haven't I? I know. But I haven't really had much to sort of bring to the channel, really. So I just thought, rather than just putting up some rubbish and some random stuff, I just thought, you know what, just take a couple of weeks off. And that's what I did. So I hope that was all alright with you. But anyway, I hope you're all doing well. And guess what? It's the 1st of December. We're in December. It's the end of 2021. Can you believe it? And even more shockingly, this came today. So I'm actually sort of wondering what's wrong. I'm thinking maybe, because Glossybox did these kind of Black Friday boxes and things like that. And they had some mystery boxes that they were selling. I think they had like 4 different versions. So I picked up versions 3 and 4. They're only £5 each, plus the £3 whatever postage and packaging. So I bought 2 of the boxes. So maybe this is one of those, because it's the 1st of December. I never get my Glossybox this early. Never. So what's going on? I mean, last month I was a little bit shocked because I think it came last month on the 10th of November, and that shocked me because I was thinking, oh, okay, coming in the 2nd week of the month, that's not bad. But to come on the 1st day of the month, Glossybox, what are you trying to do to me here? So let me see if it is actually this month's Glossybox, or if it's one of the £5 mystery boxes that I purchased. Wait a minute, let's have a look on the side here. Well, it does say, there you go. I knew it. This is one of my mystery boxes. This says Glossybox May 2021, version 1. So it is. It's one of my £5 boxes which I purchased. So yeah, let's have a look. I can't remember what we got in May. What did we get in May? Let's have a look. I was thinking there's no way Glossybox would be getting me a box this quickly. Oh no, this isn't the box which had this stupid, what do you call it? The bronzer in it, is it? It's not that box, is it? I can't remember, guys. Would they put the exact same items in the box that they had in the May? Don't know. So this is a mystery box which I purchased. It cost £5. So it's obviously they've got loads of boxes left over from earlier in the year, so they're just selling them again at a much cheaper price, or they're just using some of the boxes they created, because the Glossybox are really good at creating new designs in their boxes. So maybe they're just using the boxes and just putting a whole lot of random products in there. Let us see. I knew it couldn't be my December box, so that just would have been shock horror, what the heck's going on. Well, it looks like it probably was. It looks like it is the actual box from May. I literally can't remember what that box was. So here we go. Let's have a quick look. I'm not even going to look at the leaflet. I just want to see what's in it as a reminder to myself. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Okay. So it was the Koichi Shower Gel. This was in the lemon. I actually quite like this. It was a nice fresh lemon gel, so I didn't mind that. That's all good. Then we had the that moisturising sort of a suntan recovery thing. So it's filled with aloe vera. I've got loads of these. So I'm probably, oh, it's really watery. How long has this been sitting around for? Look at that. I'm just mixing it up so it's a bit thicker. But yeah, it's very watery. So I'm assuming this has been sitting around a long time. Well, since May, obviously. Yeah, so I've got this. I don't really need this, so I'll do something with that. Then we've got, oh, what was this? I can't remember what this was. This is from Lottie London. Can you remember what that was? I can't remember what that was. Let's have a look. I don't want to break the seal if it was something. And of course I've got my contact lenses on. Golden Hour. Was it an eyeshadow, like a cream eyeshadow in a sort of goldy bronzy colour? I think it might have been. Let me have a quick look in the little booklet because I don't want to open it. Right, so it says here, Lottie London Power Foil Golden Hour. So yeah, it's an eyeshadow. So what was it? It was Pack on the Power with Powerful, the versatile high coverage metallic gold eyeshadow is designed to give you an intense foil finish in just one swipe. Looks stunning, both was it both blended out and natural and layered art to create a more glam, more groovy, glamorous makeup look, whatever. Yeah, and that was worth £6.95. Okay, again, I don't really want that as well. What I might do with this box, because I'm creating a little sort of box for my daughter for Christmas, so these are kind of little things I could put in her box. So she might like that, because she doesn't wear a lot of makeup, and she does put on an eyeshadow. It'll just be like one swipe or something, so I could see her putting this on. That'll be as much makeup as she'll put on. Then we had a Dragon's Blood eye mask, hydrate and tone. I'll keep that. And then it was an eyeliner from Ciate, London. Is that the one I'm using today? I've got a feeling it's the one I used this morning. Let me have a look. Is it the same one? Oh, where is it? Yeah, so this is the eyeliner I was using this morning. It's from Ciate, London, Fierce Flicks. That's the one I used this morning. My makeup is really, really old. This is Definer Liner, smudge proof, inbuilt sharpener. Oh no, it's not the same thing. I don't think it is. It looks like it's a pencil or a gel liner. But I'll keep it because it's an eyeliner. Or maybe I won't. Okay, this looks like it's sealed as well. Oh dear, I'm not showing you very much, am I? Wait a minute. No, it's not sealed. Okay. Oh, it was these gold ones. Yeah, I didn't want that either. Right, okay, so not a box that I was that keen on, to be honest, but okay, alright. I might give that to my daughter. You never know, she might put it to use. And that's it. That was it. So that was my surprise box. It only cost £5, so you know it's nothing much to complain about. I'm quite happy with this. I'm quite happy with this, the shower gel, and I'm quite happy with the, I've lost it already, the Rhodile, here we go, the Rhodile eye mask. This, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. This is the aloe vera sort of suntan recovery thing. The eyeliner in gold I may give to my daughter, see if she wants it. I'll know if she uses it or not because it'll just be sitting on the dressing table. And the little gold eyeshadow, sort of foil eyeshadow, I'll give to her as well. But there you go, that's my first surprise box. We'll wait till the normal time for my normal Glossybox to come. I'm sure it will come very, very soon. Alright guys, I was actually really shocked there. I was thinking, oh my god, Glossybox on the 1st of December. No way. But of course not. I was expecting way too much there. Right, I've got another box which I'm going to unbox, so I will do that now as well. So for now, thank you very much for watching. Bye, we'll see you soon. Oh, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a little thumbs up and press that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.